Hi folks, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be talking about alerts. So alert generation is an extremely useful tool. It allows you to send alerts and notifications based on your business's rules. For example, you can set up alerts and receive notifications if your income statement expenses exceed a certain threshold. Or, like in our case or the sake of our video, we will send a notification to the customers if the invoices due date exceed a certain threshold date. And for us, that's going to be June 1st. Our first step is to create a template invoices, and you can see that our due dates are actually on the left-hand side. And then we will create a separate column for which we will compare our due date from our report to our chosen due date, June 1st, which for us is column S. Next, we're going to set up our conditions for alert. And how we do that is we go to extensions, scroll down to find G-Accon for Xero, find automation, and select update, modify, delete workflow. And you also want to be sure that you are connected to your Xero account. Then go ahead and select your workflow. When selected, go over to the alerts tab and put in your range that you want to be analyzed. So for me, that's going to be S2. And then this is the most important part. We need to make sure that the email that we use is the correct email. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to set up our condition. My condition will be if S equals true, and then the alert message will then continue saying if S equals true, then check the invoice payment. And then you want to make sure you add this alert. And in doing so, our message will then be sent to our customers. Then we're going to go ahead and execute our current workflow. And so since I put our customers' emails as my own personal email, I will now get the notification. And so once this customer receives the notification, they can access the spreadsheet, which will allow them to see all of the invoices which satisfied our condition, which was that the due date of our invoices would be greater than our due date, which was June 1st. And as you can see here, I received the email, and here is a copy of our spreadsheet. And this brings us to the end of our video on how to set up alerts. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe in order to view our new upcoming videos. Have a good one.